Here at this year's Tri-Council Camporee, there are over 700 scouts. That's a record number so far. There's supposed to be 1,200, but somehow they've all focused in on this. The main attraction, Dino Jump, second only to the rock climber. Chad and Ted are currently in the line behind this guy, and when they get up, we'll have a first-hand view of it. What they do is they are attached to bungee cords and run trying to get their little fuzzy things farther than the other person. It's a really hard game, and I went on it. It's really, really tough to get them very far. It's pretty interesting, though. Look at the lines. Ted and Chad are around there. They're longer than the ones for the rock climbing, and that's humongous. Over in this general direction, we've got the humongous ball climbing game. It's a lot of fun. But this is definitely the main attraction here. We'll have some more pictures when we get back to it. Just to prove how many scouts there are here, this is just one section of all the tents that we can see here. Over here, there's another large section of tents. And there's more even further to my right. There's also a big building. This is a very large scouting thing, over 700 people, and 2 of them are in the line currently. Right around there. This is one of the strange events here at the Tri-Council. This is called hatchet lighting. What it is people have to light matches with a hatchet. They usually pound on the side, and when they run out of time, like they just did, they pound the hatchet right into the side of the board. It's pretty interesting. The high score currently is around 19 out of 24. That's pretty good. We didn't even try because we knew we were going to lose. Plus, we only had 3 guys. Prize around 7. Here's Chad. He finally got up in line far enough. Yeah! Look at the concentration on his face. Not much, huh? Do that again, Ted. Do it again. Here's Chad on the Dino Jump. He's right about to run. On your mark, set, go. Whoa! What a funny picture. Yay! Chad's gonna win. See where that little red thing is? Speaker, don't say a thing. You won't care when you talk. Come on, you can do it. You can do it! And he's done. Here's Josh. Just go, Josh. Come on. Yeah! Josh, come on. Come on. I don't know. You can do it. Come on. You can do it. Yeah, Josh, come on. Yeah. Okay, that's getting really. Here's Ted. It makes you mad when I call. Yeah! Ted, do it whenever you run. Ted, do it when you run up. Do it, Ted. Here we go. Do it. Yeah! Hurry up, let's go get in line.